SOFI update here on the 7th. So we continued to go up today, up 3.6%, made a higher high here. I think it is playing out with this being a wave 5. I'm going to go over 3 different counts here. I do think that 20 is going to be a spot where more than likely you're going to want to de-risk, because this is a pretty crazy move up here, 150% in about 3 months. You do have that supply zone up here at 22.73 to 24.22. So we'll see how it goes. Again, if you go back here and draw a parallel line here from the second to what could be considered the 4th wave, we don't know 100%, and put it up here, this comes to an end right around 20 bucks as well. So that's a spot that I want to be watching here, because not only is this count coming to an end, in my opinion, you have that parallel line there as well. And if this is a wave 5, it's already finished. Like, it's already done enough to be a wave 5. The only way it continues to go higher is if it is that nested move all the way up to 26 bucks. But I don't know. It's gone from 850 all the way up here. The market is super overextended. I'd be very careful. RSI is getting close to historical highs. The highest on the daily is up here around 90. It's sitting here at 83. There's a few reasons why you probably want to start de-risking here. And then we go to the actual count. This is either going to be, let's see, 3, 4, and you get a 4th wave right here. Then this is a 5th wave like that. And we're finishing off wave 1. Or when you look at RSI, it actually looks, to me, it looks more like this is an ABC move. So you have this move up, you have bullish divergence right here, and then you have another move higher like this. If we look at the 1.61 fib, pull this down. The 1.61 fib, if this were to be an A wave, so if this were A, B, C, that's sitting here right around 20 bucks as well. So that actually fits in really well also, if this ends up being an ABC move. So either way, if it's a 5-wave move, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, or it's ABC, 20 bucks is looking like the sweet spot to de-risk. Also on the GEX, $20 is looking like the sweet spot to de-risk. So I'm not going to sit here and continue to be bullish when I think we're getting close to the top short term. So it could be, if I'm wrong, then it'll be pretty obvious. If I'm wrong, it's going to keep on going up here to 22 bucks, and I'd be looking for at least 26 bucks for this to be that nested move I talked about. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. But I think that's more likely this is either going to end up being A, B, we get a C wave down, or this is the end of a first wave, and we head down as well to this $11.50 mark. So we'll have to watch and see how it goes. We know that earnings are coming at the end of the month as well, so it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out going into earnings. But again, if you look here at the monthly chart, it needs to keep on going. Let's just say that. Obviously needs to keep on going. I want this monthly RSI to get up here in the 80s. On the weekly chart, I want to see this continue to go higher too. You have bearish divergence going on here. So obviously if it breaks above 89, then there's no divergence anymore. But right now, it's looking like that's not going to happen, because you're at 70 right here. The top was at 89, and you're making higher highs. So I'd be very careful here. And then on the daily, there's no divergence. So this could go on for another month or so. I mean, it could go up here to 20 bucks. you could get a pullback, and then you could get some chop up here for a while into earnings. And you could even get a higher high than 20 bucks. And then eventually it comes down. So I'm not saying 100% sell here if you're long, but I think that it is getting to the point where you need to be very cautious. So on the daily chart, standard deviations, we're at about 3 standard deviations. On the weekly chart, we're getting close to 3 standard deviations. I definitely take note of that. I took note of that last time, and look what happened. And then monthly chart, we don't have that yet. And then here you go again. What does this look like to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or is it going to go all the way to 26 bucks and I'm going to be completely wrong and it's going to go to the RSI is going to go crazy higher? It's possible. So I just wanted to go over that count. I think that $20 is a good spot to de-risk. I'll keep you updated pretty much daily. I've been traveling a little bit, so I haven't put as many updates out lately. We'll see how it goes. That's it for tonight. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.